Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can drive this RV in RV Dear Yet. So basically just jump right here next to the steering wheel, interact with E, and you will basically see the keybinds on your left side. So to turn on the engine, click on R, and as you can see, now if you click WASD, it doesn't run, but if you click on W, it runs perfectly. So with the clutch, you can go to the neutral, as you can see. So use your mouse and drag to the first gear, and you will drive. So as you can see, it goes backwards if I go to the R, and I can change the gears. So that's pretty much it. You can toggle the park so it won't move. And you can turn the lights with L. So that's pretty much it. That's how to drive RV in RV Dear Yet. That's the guide. If this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.